For our lesson today, we are going to be talking about VC, or vowel consonant, and CVC, or consonant vowel consonant words. And you might notice that here on my board, I'm not showing you just one letter, like I often do. I'm showing you lots of letters, and it looks pretty different. That's because today, I'm going to be introducing you to the idea of word work, a new practice that we're going to start today and keep going forward with for all of our lessons. Now, if you're learning at school or at home, you might have a board that looks just like this or pretty similar, but it's also okay if you don't have your own board to work with because you are welcome to share with me and use mine. So either way is fine. Do you notice anything interesting about the way the letters are on this board? I notice a few things. I bet I hear you saying that you notice that the letters are different colors. Some of the letters are red and some of the letters are blue. What do you notice about the red letters? Yes, the red letters are vowels. And we haven't talked about all the vowels yet. However, the red letters that you see are the vowels that we know or the ones we're going to learn. Okay, what do you notice about the blue letters? Yes, they are the consonants. And that's how on our word work boards, we sort the difference between our vowels and our consonants. Okay, what else do you notice about this board? The letters are in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is the same thing as ABC order. That means they go in order of the alphabet. If you look all the way over, you see it goes lowercase a, lowercase b, lowercase c, and so on, all the way ending with lowercase x, y, and z. Now let me show you how we're going to use these boards. This is a board that I've moved a few things around. Let's see what I've done here. So I have taken 3 letters from the bottom set of letters and I have moved them to the top of the board in my word work area. I moved the C, the A, and the T. K-at. I made the word cat. Now when we're doing word work, we are going to be moving our letters around to make different words. But the thing that's really important is every time we move a letter, we need to move it back to the spot that we got it from. So let's head over to my actual word work board so we can work on some words together right now. So here is my actual word work board. And right now, the way I'm filming this is I have a document camera that's filming the board and then a different camera that's filming my face. So you can see my hands at the same time that I'm talking to you. So what I will do to show which lesson that I'm on each time is I have a little lesson marker. So right now we're on lesson number 5. Now right now all of my letters here are here and they're in alphabetical order. But that's not actually correct because we haven't reviewed all of our letters just yet. So let's get our board ready for lesson 5 because we won't get to all of our letters yet until lesson 34. So let's take a moment and get it ready for 5. I'll show you what that looks like. Ready? Here we go. Much better. What do you notice? Yeah, we are missing a lot of letters that are the tiles, except we've got the letters that we have learned about. So we learned about A in our first lesson. Then we learned about M, S, and T. So we're going to start by working with the letters that we already know about. Every lesson, as we learn new letters and new phonemes, we'll add them to our word work mat here. And by the time we're all the way through lesson 34, we'll have all of the letters that we have been working with, and we'll be able to work with all 26 letters. Okay, so here's an important thing for you to know. When I move a letter, or when I tell you to move a letter, you're going to move it up to the word work space. So please move the letter A to the word work space. I take it and I move it up there. Now my letters are magnetic, and yours might be that's a tough one, magnetic as well. All right, so what do I have? I have A. A. Now please take your A and put it back in your word work mat area. Here we go, putting it back. All right, now I would like you to find the letter A again and put it up in your word work area. And now I would like you to find the letter T and put it up in the word work area, right next to the letter A. So we have A and then T. Now let's say their sounds. At. At. Oh, do you notice we made a word? We made a word together. Okay, now please take your T and put it back in your word work area down below, the mat part, and now put your A back. Very good. Now I would like you to make another word. Please take the letter M and bring it up to your working space up top. Now take the letter A and put it next to the M. And please add the letter T at the end of the word. Let's read the word together. At, mat, mat. Now, what would happen if I took the M off? Oop, I blocked it with my hand. What would happen if I took the M off and put it back down below? What am I left with? I'm left with at, at. Now, how would I turn at to sat, sat? Oh, I'll take my S from down below and move it up top. And now I have sat, sat. And this is how we will be playing with words through our word work, as we will be making words and changing words and moving our tiles all around from down here to up here to create lots of words. Now, at the end of every word work session, your letters will go back whence they came. So we'll put our S back in the S space here. Our A will go back in our A space, and our T will go back in our T space. And that's what it looks like to do word work together. As we have more options, we will have many more options for making words. So this is our new concept for today. I am so excited to get to do some more word work with you here together.